Iowa has some of the cheapest car insurance rates in the country. Problem is, most Iowa drivers I talk to are carrying insurance that barely protects them. You've got liability minimums that won't cover a serious accident, no requirement for uninsured motorist coverage, and you're sitting in one of the top 5 states for deer collisions. Cheap rates mean nothing if one accident or one deer wipes you out financially. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Iowa requires, what that actually covers, and what coverage actually protects you in the real world. Iowa's minimum liability is 20,000 bodily injury per person and 40,000 per accident. Sounds reasonable until you end up at a hospital. Average hospital admission in Iowa runs $15,000 to $25,000. One serious injury blows through your 20,000 limit before the hospital even discharges the patient. I see this all the time in my agency. Someone thinks they're covered, then one at fault accident, and they're personally liable for the rest. That's wage garnishment territory. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Iowa ranks in the top 5 states nationally for deer collisions. You've got roughly a 1 in 55 chance of hitting a deer every year. That's twice the national average. Deer collisions are covered by comprehensive insurance, not collision. If you're carrying liability only to save $30 a month, a deer strike that totals your vehicle costs you everything. And this isn't just November. Hail season runs April through September. We're in Tornado Alley's northern section. Comprehensive covers all of it. Iowa doesn't require uninsured motorist coverage. That's the gap. About 10 to 12% of Iowa drivers have zero insurance. If one of them hits you, you've got no coverage for your own medical bills or vehicle damage unless you carry uninsured motorist yourself. I recommend 100,000 per person, 300,000 per accident at minimum. Most people skip this to save $15 a month, then get hit by an uninsured driver and spend the next 3 years dealing with it. Here's the number one mistake I see. People in Cedar Rapids, Des Moines, rural Iowa, they all do it. They carry liability only because it's cheap. One deer, one hailstorm, one uninsured driver, and now their car is totaled and they're paying for a replacement out of pocket or going without. I had a client in Fridley last month hit a deer in the middle of summer. No comprehensive. $24,000 vehicle, gone. That's not saving money. That's just hoping nothing happens. If you're in Iowa or anywhere across the Midwest, call us right now at 760